If you've ever had ants in your home, you know how quickly they can turn from an annoyance to a major problem. Luckily, many ways to kill ants without using harmful chemicals exist. Learn the homemade way to kill ants using eco-friendly solutions derived from household items in your pantry or at the supermarket. Let's get started. 1. Borax. Borax is a natural mineral and a common ingredient found in many homemade ant killers. It is usually mixed with sugar or honey to create a paste that ants will find irresistible. Sugar attracts the ants, and they will eat it, carrying the borax back to their colony, where it will kill them and all the other ants. Borax is toxic to ants but generally safe for humans. But to be safe, pets and children should be kept away from it. 2. Cornmeal and boric acid. Although some believe that cornmeal kills ants by exploding them, this is not true. Ants are attracted to cornmeal, so putting too much around your house could worsen the problem. But if you mix cornmeal with boric acid, a cousin to borax, you can make an effective and powerful ant killer. You can get boric acid online and at most home improvement stores. But like borax, keep baits containing boric acid away from kids and pets. 3. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is made up of fossilized algae that have been ground down into a powdery substance. When used in pest control, the sharp edges of these shells cut through the exoskeletons of insects like ants and cockroaches. This causes them to dry out and die within hours or days, depending on how much exposure they have to it. 4. Cornstarch. Cornstarch can be used as a quick and effective way to smother many ants at once. Here's how. The first method is to pour cornstarch over the entire group of ants, then add water. The result will be dead ants stuck in the cornstarch, which you can then dispose of. If you don't mind a little dust in your vacuum bag, the second method involves sprinkling cornstarch on the ants and sucking them up that way. 5. Baking soda. We've included baking soda in the list because many believe it is an effective ant repellent. But you're better off skipping this one. No scientific evidence supports the theory that baking soda can really kill ants. So it's best to save your baking soda for baking and other cleaning uses rather than wasting it on ants. Although you may not be able to eliminate ants from your home immediately, there are ways of controlling them naturally and safely. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share with your friends to help the channel. Here are some natural ant repellents that you can try. 1. White vinegar. Mixing 3 parts vinegar and 1 part water is a recipe for ant controlling success. You can spray the solution in the yard, under doorways, or even around your picnic blanket. Because of vinegar's pungent odor, it can help cover up ant scent trails and mess up their tracking abilities. So next time you mop the floor, add a bit of vinegar to the bucket for extra ant fighting power. 2. Pepper. Just to be clear, pepper doesn't kill ants, but its strong odor will make them go away. If you notice ant scent trails, pour ground pepper along the path. You can also add pepper to a spray bottle with water. Spritz the solution around ant trails, under doorways, and in other areas where you spot ant activity. The strong scent of pepper will deter them from coming back. 3. Fresh mint. A fresh mint plant can do a lot more than just freshen your breath. It's also an effective way to get rid of ants in your home. Mint is a fragrant herb, and ants don't like the smell of it. Placing mint in your garden can keep ants away from plants while adding fragrance to the area. Minty essential oils like wintergreen, peppermint, thyme, geranium, rosemary, and clove work too. 4. Cinnamon. Did you know that cinnamon is the best spice for eliminating ants in your home? It's natural and non-toxic, but its strong smell makes it so effective. Sprinkle cinnamon around ant hills, ant trails, kitchen countertops, and along floorboards. Also, you can use cinnamon essential oil to rid your home or garden of ants. 5. Coffee grounds. Brewed coffee grounds can be an effective and natural way to repel ants. Leave the coffee grounds on a disposable surface like small cardboard in areas where ants congregate, such as around pet bowls or windowsills. But once they are dry, the grounds may lose their potency. So don't forget to replace them frequently. The options we shared in this video are effective if you're looking for a homemade way to kill ants and control the invasion. Is there anything missing from this list? What homemade methods have you tried to get rid of ants? Share your best tips in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.